Hello, this video is on the Split Join Media feature and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I'll be using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder with software version 2024.2. The Split Join Media feature must be done within an incident because you're not altering the original audio on the recorder. The audio in the incident is just, in a sense, a copy, or it's just showing you what you want to see with that audio. So if you apply redaction or the Split Join Media feature, it's only showing you that change within the incident. So we'll start with this 911 call here. In the first scenario, we'll say that a dispatcher was talking with someone, hung up the phone, immediately took another call. So now we have two recordings stuck together. In this particular incident, we only need the first half of that recording. So we'll right-click on the recording and choose Split Join Media. If you do not see the Split Join Media option in your right-click menu, that may have to be enabled by an administrator. So now that I've selected that, it gives me a box, and in a sense this box will select what you want to make a copy of. So right now we've selected the first portion of that phone call, which is the first phone call. We're going to click the green check mark to say OK. If we messed up and maybe clicked on the wrong audio recording, we can cancel this. So we'll click the green check mark. We'll get a prompt letting us know it's going to create a new record using one record, and it's going to remove the original record from the incident. In this scenario, we no longer need the rest of that recording, so it's okay that we remove it from the incident. We'll click OK. It'll work its magic, and it's done with the clipping. We'll close the dialog, and now you can see in our incident we only have the first portion of the recording that we had selected. We no longer have the second portion. After using the Split Join Media feature, if you find that you have incorrectly split the media, you may have taken off too much or left too much, you can right-click on the clip and go to Delete Clip or Restore Original Media, or you can even use the Split Join Media feature again. If we delete the clip, it does give you a prompt to add the original record back into the incident, say OK, and now we have that added back into the incident. So we can go through the process again and choose the correct portion of the audio. You can clip more than one portion of a record. So in this instance, the middle part is what we want to keep. The first and last part is not needed. So we're going to right click, choose our Split Join Media, and we are, oops, let me resize this. Now cancel it and let's do it more in the middle. We're going to pick the portion in the middle that we need to keep, and use our check mark, say OK, remove the rest, and again we've clipped off the beginning and the ending. So anything you select with the box is the portion that you'll keep, and you can clip it more than once. In the next scenario, we'll get rid of the portion in the middle. So we're going to right click, use our Split Join Media, and we're going to select the portion at the beginning that we want to keep. Use our green check mark. And this time we still need to copy a portion from the end of it, so we do not want to remove the original record. Click OK. It'll make the copy of the first portion. We can then right click, use our Split Join Media feature, copy the last portion of the recording that we need to keep, use the green button to say OK, and now we can remove the original record from the incident. And we've kept both segments. If you look closely, I'll zoom in here a little bit, you can see that the border around the clip segments is a goldenrod or orangish color. That lets you know a segment has had the Split Join Media feature applied to it. So if you do see that in an incident, that's what it's letting you know. Alright, that is the Split Media feature. You can also join media. So again, if this was a single phone call, you may not want it as two records when exporting. We can right click, use the Split Join Media feature again, and this time we'll make our selection box go over both segments of the audio. Use our green check mark to say OK, and now it's going to let us know it's creating a new record using two records, and it's going to remove the original records from the incident. That's okay, those are the copies that we made, and now we want to make them into a single record. Alright, so now it has joined the two recordings together. into a single file. If you had 15 seconds of silence between those, there would be 15 seconds of silence in this new recording. So now you can export that phone call as a single file. As with the single clips, you can right click this and delete clip, and in that also restore the original clip. So you can always return to your original audio from your split or joined media. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.